Hi दोस्तों, today we are going to study about the classification of the bacterial cell on the various feature and characteristics. This episode we covered the special type of feature. This feature is the name one by one: shape, cell wall, mode of respiration, nutrition, and habitat. This feature is going to detail study in this video. So I hope you get a better concept from this channel. So let's go start right now. First of all, I'm talking about the special feature. It's called shape. Shape, on the basis of the shape, bacteria divided into four categories. Shape, they called cocci, rod, coma, and spiral. After this shape, cocci, rod, coma, and spiral, after the staining of the microbes, the bacteria, if seen in the different shape, after observation in the microscope, the name is called cocci, rods, coma, and spiral. If bacteria, suppose give example, cocci bacteria looking like in microscope, cocci in a single is called cocci, double in called diplo, and many more is called bunch, and it's called tetra, and many more is called bunch. Cocci and rod-shaped bacteria, cocci, the best example cocci-shaped bacteria is, cocci-shaped bacteria is the best example is Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus pneumoniae, and rod-shaped bacteria, the best example. Escherichia coli is a common bacteria. Looking like the rod, or next one is the coma-shaped bacteria. Coma-shaped bacteria is looking like the coma-like structure. It's called coma-shaped bacteria. This bacteria is the best example is Vibrio cholerae. Vibrio cholerae is the disease-causing bacteria in the intestine. It's called dysentery, causing dysentery in human generally. This is the called coma-shaped bacteria. Example, a spiral. A spiral bacteria looking like a spring-like structure is called a spiral. Best example of spiral cell bacteria is a Spirillum volutans, and another characteristics of bacteria is called cell wall. On the basis of the cell wall, bacteria divided on the basis of the cell wall into two categories: gram negative or gram positive. These bacteria carry the special type of protein and special type of the lipid molecule on the cell, in the within the cell wall. On the basis of this molecule, bacteria divided on the two types: gram positive or gram negative. This protein is called, in case of the gram positive bacteria carry the unique type of protein. It's called peptidoglycan, which is a very important protein for surviving of this whole life of the bacteria. Another is the gram negative bacteria. Gram negative bacteria carry the complex molecule. It's called LPS, lipopolysaccharide. It means this is the called lipid, protein, and saccharide molecule, carbohydrate molecules in single chain. It's called LPS. This cell wall of the bacteria is very important for the medical science, and medical science, especially for DMLT, pharma sector student, and BSc life science student. Another is the mode of respiration. Respiration is a very important thing of the any living things for surviving, and I'm not going to detail study of the respiration, because all of the life science student very well know about the respiration. Respiration, on the basis of the respiration, bacteria categorize in basically two types, but generally also include in this term is microaerophilic, and basically categorized in two types: aerobic and anaerobic. Anaerobic means bacteria that cannot require the oxygen for growing, and another is anaerobic, the bacteria aerobic, that the bacteria required oxygen for growing the optimum level is called aerobic bacteria. And microphilic bacteria, that bacteria required the very low oxygen for the optimum growth. This is called microphilic bacteria. Another is the mode of nutrition. On the basis of the nutrition, bacteria categorized further into two parts: autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic means uh, that bacteria can make the food its own self. That is called autotrophic. Best example is cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria having the chlorophyll molecule on the body that can make the food itself, that is called autotrophic. And another is heterotrophic bacteria. Heterotrophic bacteria means that bacteria cannot make the food itself. It depends on the other organism. Is called heterotrophic bacteria. Heterotrophic bacteria is the best example. All disease causing bacteria is the heterotrophic bacteria. Such example is microbial tuberculosis and Escherichia coli. And another parameter is called the habitat. Habitat is the in Hindi is called Nivasasthan. Nivasasthan is the very important for the any living things. That living things is a stay and expand your time of the life. It's called habitat. Habitat on the basis of the habitat and extremophiles also is called the on the basis of the temperature. Also bacteria categorize and the sub categorize. That is called psychrophilic bacteria. Psychrophilic bacteria is the best examples of the psychrophilic bacteria is Campylobacter jejuni, and the optimum range of the bacteria for growing 0 to 20 degrees Celsius. And mesophilic bacteria means this group of the bacteria, mesophilic group of the bacteria, large number of bacteria comes into this group. Is the optimum range of the bacteria is 20 to 45 degrees Celsius. That bacteria can grow happily to 20 to 45 degrees range of the temperature. And thermophilic bacteria is a very important group of bacteria, but less number of bacteria comes under the thermophilic bacteria. That bacteria grow under the 45 to 65 degree optimum range of temperature. The best example is Geobacillus aerotherophilus. This bacteria, Geobacillus aerotherophilus, used generally in the validation purpose in the autoclave pharma sector and also in the food sector. And next one is hypothermophilus bacteria. That bacteria can grow high temperature. It means above 65 degree. That is called hypothermophilic bacteria. The best example is Thermus aquaticus. Thermus aquaticus is also very important because that bacteria carry the special type of enzyme, is a thermus tag polymerase enzyme, which used for the especially used in the PCR polymerase chain reaction for the amplify the gene. This is the classification on the basis of temperature. Another is acid, and that bacteria happily grow in the acid condition. That is called acidophiles. The bacteria happily grow in the basic condition called alkaliphiles. The bacteria also grow in the high temperature. High pressure is called barophiles. And the next one is the cryophiles. Cryophiles bacteria generally grow in the freeze condition, 0 to minus temperature. That is called cryophile bacteria. This is the overall classification of bacteria on the different characteristics and on the various aspect. This is the best way. I am trying to best way to understand our viewer. So let's thanks to all my subscriber, and I hope you understand better, and thanks a lot. Take the screenshot for better understanding after watching the video. Thanks a lot.